Hello everyone, I hope you're doing amazing. So today I'm going to be reviewing 3 subscription boxes. These are the most popular ones in the UK, so I thought, okay, I'm going to review these and see which one is the best value for money. Let's just start with the boxes. Firstly, we're going to start off with Lookfantastic. The price of the box is on the screen right now because I can't remember everything. Let's have a look. So firstly, this is everything that's inside. There's quite a few bits and pieces, so let's go through them all. Immediately when I open this, it smells lovely. Firstly, we have this. This is a liquid IV hydration multiplier that's passion fruit flavoured, and it's a food supplement with sugar and sweetener, and this is just to help you stay hydrated and active. What do you think, Milo? I don't think you could have this. It's good for exercise, heat and sun, travel and wellness. So I believe this is just a sample that's been put in the box, but again, it is quite interesting to give it a go, and I believe this is just a little sample. We have a mirror which is Lookfantastic branded, so I believe it is a celebration of 10 years of Lookfantastic, and I'm going to leave this out because there are going to be some makeup products and I think it'd be quite handy to use it to apply to this. The first product we have, I believe, is either a full-sized or it is a deluxe travel size, but it is the Rituals 48-hour hydrating body cream. The Rituals is a brand that I've heard of. I've used their products before and they do smell lovely. It has a very relaxing scent and I find they're very good for the body. This melts into your skin really nicely, so I am looking forward to using this body cream. Next we have the Chris Appleton and Colour Wow Money Mask for super glossy, expensive looking hair. So this is a hair mask. I have used the Dream Coat products from Colour Wow, and again, I find this amazing. I don't know if this is any good. It is 50ml and I think I'll be only able to use this a few times, but it is a hair mask that you use after shampooing. You leave in your hair for 5 minutes and then you condition, to use once a week or every 3 shampoos as needed. So I think this will be very interesting to try. So yes, I'm very happy with this. Next we have this Aveeno Calm and Restore for sensitive skin oat gel moisturizer. Now this is a product that I highly recommend because they are known for their natural products which are good for their skin. It smells very nice, it's very natural. I'm going to try this on this side of the skin, and again, it just melts into your skin very nicely. It is a nice gel texture and it's cooling as well, so I do think this will be a good product to incorporate into my skincare, and I can't really tell you 100% what it would be like until I've tried it, but I believe this is a full-size product which is pretty good for the price we paid for this box. Aveeno are very well known for their moisturising products and I've used them before, so to have their moisturiser in my skincare routine, I'm looking forward to try and see how it goes with that. Next we have this translucent setting powder from Ciate London. I've only used their nail polishes and they're alright, but I haven't tried any of their makeup. So I'm just going to have a little look and see how it goes on my skin. Oh my gosh, this stuff is everywhere. Now trying it on my hand, it does have a blurring effect, which I think is quite good, especially if you're wanting a matte makeup look. Overall, I think it's a good product. It'd be interesting to try and see how it fits into my routine because I don't really use translucent setting powders just because I like to have a glowy makeup look. And finally, we have this, which is from a brand I've never heard of called Glow Hub. It is the Buff Blush Glow Up Colour Stick, and I believe it's in the shade Pinched. There we go, that's what it looks like. Let's see what it's like on my skin. Now, immediately when I put it on, there is quite a bit of pigment. I don't know if you can see it, but let's just see how it blends in. It blends in subtly, and I like that because sometimes I find some of these products can be very harsh on the skin, as in like it proper stands out, and sometimes I like to have a gentle, dewy, there's a bit of colour in my face, so I think this is very ideal for me. I think the packaging is quite fun, but yes, overall I think we have a good range here. There's brands I've heard of and a couple I haven't, but they're all well-known brands, I'd say. I think value for money is definitely worth it, so I would highly recommend it. Let's check out Glossybox and see how that compares to this. Now, I've had quite a few Glossyboxes before. Again, the price of it will be on the screen right now, just so you know how much it costs. But let me open this up for you so you can see what is inside. Okay, there we go. We have a few products in here today. Now, first off, there are quite a few products and they're looking a bit more sample sized. However, this box is cheaper than Lookfantastic, so I think that does get reflected into the price, but let's just get straight into it. So firstly, we have a brand I've never heard of, and it is called Beija Los Paradise with pineapple extract and Brazil nut oil. So this is a body scrub, and the only thing is because of the size of it, I think this is just a sample size. The next product we have a bar of soap from Rituals, which funny enough, it is the exact same scent as the body lotion that we got, but it smells lovely and this will last you a little while, so I'd say this is quite good. But it's pretty standard, your average bar of soap. But this is a brand that I have heard of, so it's quite nice to just have something that goes along with the other bit I've got, and I can have a full routine out of it. The next products we have are Esper shampoo and conditioner in the scent Bergamot and Jasmine. Again, these are only travel size, so on the smaller size product, as you can see with this lot here. But Esper's a very good brand. It's good for wellness, it's good for scents to relax you, and I know the quality is premium as well as the price. You are paying for the quality, so these are a good size to try it a few times to see if it's worth it. So yeah, that's everything about that. The next products we have are some makeup ones. So firstly, we have a mascara from a brand I've never heard before called Tease. It is the Ultra Volume Mascara, and it is lengthening and full definition in the shade Ultra Black, and it's meant to be long lasting. I'll show you. It does have a lengthening effect, but I have used better mascaras. For example, the mascaras I use are MAC Cosmetics as well as YSL. Now, I don't know if you'll be able to see any difference to my eyes, but this is how it looks on me. Now, finally, we have a lip liner. This is from a brand called Appeal. It says Exposed, so it's a gel lip liner, and it's quite a light shade, so we'll see if this suits me. But this just glides on really nicely. Sometimes I find lip liners a bit pencily and they don't glide on nicely, but this just melts onto my lips lovely. There we go, that is me wearing it. It's quite light. My only thing is that when it comes to other skin tones, and if it comes to your complexion, so for example, if you're warm toned or light toned, or warm toned or blue toned, I can't remember the words. I don't know if this will suit everyone, so it's a bit risky. I'm just lucky that this suits me. It's quite light on me, but it's all right. I quite like it actually. Overall, that is what we got. Now, in terms of better value for money, in terms of Lookfantastic, these are more sample sized, but you have products here that you've never really heard before, like these three. There's a good range, like you've got a whole shower routine. We have the soap, we have the hair and shampoo, we have the body scrub. So we basically have a shower routine here, especially for travel. Then we have a couple of bits of makeup, which is good and standard. So ideally, I think this is quite good. But compared to the other box, they had the same things as well. But the products were a bigger size. They were better brands, in my opinion, as in more well known. Like, I knew every brand that was in there. But overall, if you're wanting to try some new brands, then this could be quite good. And I know Glossybox is a bit cheaper, but they are literally from the same place. Like, Lookfantastic and Glossybox are basically the same company, but just different subsidiaries, I guess. But overall, I think this is quite good. But if I were to choose out of the two, I would choose Lookfantastic. So this is the OK Beauty magazine subscription box. Now, I know the first box was £9 for me, which makes this even better value for money, but after that I think it does go up a little bit. But we're going to just have a look anyway and just see what's inside. I like how it's just packed in this box, whereas the other boxes are their own branded box, which you can reuse, but also they came in a cardboard packaging. So this in a way is better sustainability, or sustainable wise. So we have here 2 coupons for me to purchase OK magazine. Now, what I quite like here is that it has a little piece of paper that has all the information about the products. The other ones didn't have that, but I know that they're online, so that's okay. So the first product we have is a mascara, and it is a full sized, it retails for £18 from the brand Free in A, and it is the 24-hour Level Up mascara in black. So that's it, and the quality feels much better. It's like metal, I have used products from Free&A before. I've used gel eyeliner and I was pleasantly surprised with that. So let's just give this a go and see what I think. So immediately by this one I can tell that it covers a bit better than the other one we had from the previous box, but it has a more natural look to it where these clump together a bit more to give you more definition or volume. But overall I quite like this. I think this looks very nice and it is good value for money. Considering the box was £9 and this was £18, I think that's good going. So for the next product, we'll turn this over. We have the Vegan by Happy Skin. Dogs are noisy. We have the Vegan by Happy Skin Coconut Cream Cleanser. Can I go? Okay. It is a full-size product and retails for £29.90. So overall, let's just give this a go and see how it feels on my skin. I mean, I can't really use it properly because I don't have water on me, but I've been needing a cleanser and this smells very nice. It's very tropical, like going away on holiday. Now, as I can feel it on my skin, it is very moisturizing. It almost feels like a moisturizer. I quite like that and I think that's going to last me quite nicely. So as you can tell by the packaging, it is a full-size product and it is vegan. So if you're very conscious of like cruelty-free and having vegan products, then this would definitely be a good one. I haven't heard of this brand before, but it is quite good. Next we have a Hello Skin Hydrating Lip Oil. This retails for £15 and it's in this pretty packaging here. Now I have got lip product on me already, so I don't know if I can get the full effect of this, but let me just try this for you. Now immediately I can tell that it is not sticky. It feels like a nice oil and it doesn't make your lips feel heavy. It's quite natural feeling, but it does give your lips a smoother and softer feel, which I quite like. And yeah, this is really nice. I mean, I've had the Dior lip oil and you can tell this is just a dupe for that. And actually this is very nice product. The Dior lip oil can be a bit more sticky, whereas this just glides on very nicely. The next product I have is from a brand called Mud Masky. Now I have used this brand before. I've used the Autumn face mask and I really much enjoy it. But look at the size of that product. We have a full-size product here, which is great. It is fruit exfoliation and it retails for £20. So it is a exfoliating product that removes dead skin cells in your shower routine, and it also hydrates the skin too, so you have like that bonus as well with using this product. Now finally we have a serum. Well, I say finally listed on here. We have mystery products after that, but we have a serum here which is the Juice Boost Brightening Serum with vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. I've been meaning to get a serum, so I'm happy to get that. This retails for £12 and is travel sized, so this I believe is the only travel size product. Now this is really oily in the sense that it is just liquid, and oh wow, only a little goes a long way. So when you use this you do not need much, but this feels very nice. It absorbs into your skin quickly. It has a very nice scent too. So overall a good product if you want to try a serum out. It's designed to reduce the appearance of dark spots and helps reduce the look of hyperpigmentation. So yeah, overall we have good value for money here. This retails for almost £100 I reckon. This whole box, and I'm only paid £9, which is very good. I've got a mystery product here which is not on here, but luckily my mum uses this brand, so I am familiar with it. It is called Wonder 2. This is the Lash Extension Stain Mascara. So this is a stain for your lashes that lasts for up to 3 days, and it is smudge proof and flake free wear. So I assume I just apply it like mascara. I'm not going to put it on now because I am wearing mascara, but that's what it looks like. And my mum has used the concealer before that helps with reducing the appearance of wrinkles, and it works like a charm. It's just a normal wand, but it looks pretty good. So overall, that's what we get for this. And I think for value for money, I think this is the best, probably because I have paid £9, but you do get a good amount of full-size products and a bonus gift. So if I were to choose between Lookfantastic and this, I don't know, I think I would struggle to choose. It'll be between those two, and I think it varies on the products that I receive, like next month if I were to do that again. But overall, I'm quite happy with this, and yeah, it's good value for money. I say all of them are worth it. Glossybox are good for if you want to discover new brands. This one has good size products and a good variety as well. And Lookfantastic has more of the well-known branded products that we all know and love. Whereas I don't think I know most of these apart from ones that I've tried from other beauty boxes. So these are all the boxes that I got. Let me know which you think is the best value for money. But overall, I'm happy with all of them. I've got a good amount of products now to last me for a little while. I'm watching the dogs to make sure he doesn't stand on the garden because someone just walked past. But yes, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's a bit different compared to my normal videos, but I thought I wanted to give these a go and get a good review for you to see which one could be worth it. But yes, I hope you have an amazing day and I'll see you all very soon, guys. Bye.